Hello, what's up guys? Today, pupunta nga po tayo sa Swensens. At eto nga, pumila kami kasi magdi-dinner kami today. And ang haba ng pila. And yun nga, may wristband palang ilalagay kapag kumain ka doon sa Swensens. And eto pala yung nagastos ko for that day. And of course, that is my birthday. And eto nga, nag-video muna ako ng mga food na kakainin doon, and seafood yung una ko nakita, and salad at the same time, different kind of salads that you're going to make your own. And then syempre may mga meats din siya and cheese at the same time. And then yun, si Romania yung housemate ko. And first plate ko, ayan, makikita nyo, seafood kagad yung kinuha ko. And syempre, ito naman yung Indian food nila and Malay food as well. And then, actually, may Chinese food din sila. And then, ready to eat na food like fried rice, chicken, meats, noodles, curry, and different kind of fry foods na naka-prepare na dyan, ready to eat. And finger foods as well. And eto na nga yung dessert area nila. Siyempre, bago muna ako kakain, make sure na kinuhanan ko muna yung video. And this is our first time to here in Swensens. And not bad, grabing daming masasarap na dessert. And ito yung fountain chocolate nila. And different kinds of ice cream, guys. Eat all you can po ito. Kaya kahit anong gusto mong kainin, pwede kang mamili dyan. As long as mapubos mo siya talaga. And then, ayan, ilang scoop. And may mga different kinds of breads din, puddings. And by the way, yung dessert din nila dito, may Malay dessert din sila dito, which is different kinds of Malay food na dessert. And then also Chinese dessert, which is talagang mapaparami ka. And by the way, this is my second plate. Ang dami kong kinuhang mga meats, meatballs, sausage, and pizza, satay. Grabe, ang dami ko nakain. And eto nga, ayan, binidyohan ko din yung mga plato namin. And makikita nyo talaga, sobrang dami naming kinain at the same time. And one of my favorite part is yung paborito ko sa lahat is yung pizza nila. And yan yung mga dessert. Nag-dessert na rin kami. Ayan. Tinikman lahat para sa ganun. Ma-enjoy naman. And ito yung pangalawa at pangatlo kong tatlong scoop na ice cream at nakakuha ako ng ulit ng dalawa. And not bad to try Swensens buffet here in Singapore. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you to my next uploaded videos. And by the way, this is our photos nung nandun kami sa Swensens. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video.